Lot 130, the Patek Philippe 962 1J, yellow gold, circa 2001, and I can open here already with interest at 80, 90, $100,000 at $110,000 now, against you all at $110,000. At $110,000 now. 120, 130, I have, Derek. At $130,000, here with me at 130,000, 140, 150. At $150,000. Are we going on at 150,000? 160, you cleared my book. At $160,000 now. We're Jarrell. At $160,000. Sam, you coming in? At 160,000. 170 now. At 170,000. 180 now. Back with Darryl. At 180,000. 190. 200,000 now. At 220,000. 250 would be next. 250,000 now. 280 is next. At 250,000. 280,000 now. 300,000. Sam, give me 320. At $300,000 now. 320,000. 350 now. At $350,000. Give me 380, Sam. At 350,000, 380 now. 400,000. 420 is next. At $400,000 now. At 400,000. Sam, what do you say? 420,000. 450 now. At $450,000. Give me 480. 500,000. I like your style. At $500,000. 550 will be next. At $500,000. 550,000. 520 it is. At 520,000. Sam, I'll take 550 from you. At $520,000 now. 550. Quite sure? At $550,000. So Sam's bidder, quite through. Shake of the head at $550,000 then. Unless there's any further advance, I'll sell to Sam at $550,000 then. Sold for 550. Paddle number? Paddle 882. Congratulations to your bidder, and thank you, Darryl, for your bids.